To say we're looking forward to it this year is an understatement.
Yeah.
We can't wait. Really, I've missed it.
So it's the greatest show on earth.
Honestly, can't wait.
You know, we're creatives, we're very hands-on, we want to see things happening.
Back on stage, creating live hair.
With so many other hairdressers, all like-minded, everyone's there, wanting to learn.
You know, getting a feel and pushing yourself out of your boundaries, out of your salon, and actually opening up your eyes to what could await you, what different avenues you could send your career down.
We can see things online, we can see things on phones, but you cannot beat what you get from seeing a hairdresser's working in real life.
It's about inspiration. It's a chance for connection, sharing creativity.
It's an information hub. I want to be motivated, I want to be inspired. That's everything to me in Salon International.
And I'm sure it's going to be back bigger and better than ever. Everyone's going to be there. It's exciting.